Camtasia Studio animate shapes, how you can animate a shape in Camtasia. Okay, so now without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So here in annotations we have shapes, and you might want to animate a shape. So how you can do that is very simple. Let's drag one shape here. I will work with this circle. Alright, and now tab on more, and here go to behaviors. Here we have many different behaviors. That's how you had animations in Camtasia, okay? And then grab it and drag it to your video, to your shape. And here we have a very simple animation. But what you can do is to go to the effect, to the behavior, to the animation you just added to your video. And here we have in. It's from left. We can add from bottom. So in. Okay, now it's from bottom. Bottom right. Right. As you can see. We'll also have left and top. So now it's coming from the top. That's how it works in. During, once we have it from the top, now we can see here during what our shape is doing. Jumping, also bouncing, and it's coming from the top but it's bouncing, as you can see. Yeah, that's pretty cool, I think. Put it down here. It's coming from the top and it's bouncing. Okay, during is pop up, pulsate, and then out it's going to bottom and bouncing and exploding as well. Let's see. Bouncing, going, pulsating, and going down. Okay, or we can add none. Okay, now it should go down. Okay, let's add this. Bottom. Okay. Now it's going to the bottom. Top. Bounce, drifting, bottom. Okay, down. Okay, so that's how you animate a shape in Camtasia Studio. So please remember, animations is actually, you can find animations in Camtasia actually in behaviors instead of animations like here. That's a totally different thing. Here you can zoom in and zoom out. You can create key frames. That's what I'm saying. Like here, please remember animations. If you're looking for animations, don't go in here. Go actually to behaviors, and here you can add many different interesting behaviors. Alright, so I hope this video clarified and really helped you. Okay, now you understand, now you know how to animate. You just need to play with it so you can understand how it works. But I hope you understood the main essence, so how you can add some animations, even the simple ones, and then you can edit these animations in, during, and out at different movement. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, drop a like and subscribe for more how-to videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Take care.